How to see messages on Instagram without seen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see messages on Instagram without it being seen. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to view messages on Instagram without seen, all you have to do is, first of all, I will go ahead and then open the Instagram application and then just tap on the DMs icon. As you can see, I have received a message from the specific person. I want to open up that message and I want to read the message, but I don't want to let this person know that I have actually read the message. So how do we figure that out? Well, it's actually very simple to do that. You don't want to click on the message from here, but you want to simply come to the search button and then search for that specific profile who has sent you a message. Now you don't want to go to the message tab, obviously, so you want to tap on the three dots from the top right and then go to the option called restrict, which you see right over here. Just tap on it and then tap on the restrict option and then just go ahead and then dismiss it. Now basically, when you've restricted this person, you can see that they have disappeared from my chat's feed, right? So what I have to do is I have to come to the request tab from here, which is at the right hand side, and then you will be able to see that specific profile. Now if I open this up, you'll be able to see the message, but that person will not know that you have actually read the message because you can see a couple of messages over here. Now what you can also do is you don't want to go ahead and then unrestrict them later right from here, because when you unrestrict them from here, they are going to figure out that you have read the message. So you want to come back to the search page again and make sure to search for that profile. Tap on the three dots and then this time tap on unrestrict and then tap on the unrestrict button again. And this is simply how you can read messages on Instagram without being seen. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.